Welcome to Let Me Fix This. Enjoy the video.
You start by preparing the art and materials so printing is predictable. Open your design at 300 dpi and export a PNG with transparent background at the final sticker dimensions. Once done, choose printable vinyl or sticker paper rated for your printer and run a quick scrap test so you know how colors and ink sit. Make sure to load the mat lightly to avoid shifting. Finally, set up your design in Print, then cut on the Cricut app so alignment marks print with the sheet. Now you print and prepare the machine for an accurate cut. Send the PNG to your printer using high-quality color settings and feed the sticker sheet straight to prevent skewing. Let the ink dry completely. After printing, calibrate your Cricut for print, then cut so the registration marks read precisely. This matters for small stickers. Then, load a new fine point blade, choose the vinyl or sticker paper material setting, and adjust pressure or multi-pass only if the cut isn't through in one pass. Finish by cutting, weeding, and protecting the stickers so they last. Place the printed sheet on the mat printed side down as the app directs and watch the first cut for alignment. Stop if registration marks miss. Once cut, gently weed excess material and separate the sticker outlines. If you want extra durability, apply clear laminate or a spray sealer and let it cure. If things go wrong, recalibrate the print, then cut alignment. If cuts are incomplete, increase blade pressure or do an extra pass.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.